Everything you need to know about BeReal.
In this video, I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about the BeReal app and the way that you use it. Before you use it, make sure you download it from the Play Store or the App Store and open the app. On the home screen, you can see it says one notification every day. This means that you'll get a notification every day to post a BeReal for 2 minutes. Here you can see this kind of notification will be received on your phone. 2 minutes left to capture a BeReal. So that means you'll have 2 minutes to capture a BeReal every single day. So of course you can share it after the notification, but this shows up because the app's main intention is to not allow users to use the app for a long period of time, and it only suggests its users to use the app for a certain period of time, so it discourages overusing of the app. Now you can tap on continue again. Now you'll need to start by typing your name of BeReal and then your date of birth. Lastly, to create your account, you will need to enter in your phone number. Select your country code right here and then type in your mobile number. Now after you enter your mobile number, you'll see a similar interface. Now you simply need to drag the notifications right here and tap on this notification. Now as soon as you do that, you will have an option to take a BeReal as quickly as that. If you want, you can take a BeReal right now. After you take a BeReal, you can tap on send and share it on the platform. So that's the first thing you need to do as soon as you open up the BeReal app. There are basically two sections: the My Friends section, where you'll be able to see all of your friends that you added on BeReal. You can add more friends by tapping on add friends, and you can search in your contacts or even invite friends through your link. If you know their username, you can search it right here. Now the next section is the discovery section, where you can find posts or BeReals of different people around the world. So basically what BeReal does is takes a picture firstly from your back camera, and after that it takes a picture from your front camera. It does not have any filters like other social media platforms. So it is another interesting part about this social media, that it does not have any filters, which allows people to take pictures exactly as it is. Now in order to add people from the discovery page, you can tap open their profiles, and then you can tap on this friend request section. After you tap on that, they will get a friend request, and if they accept, you will become friends with them. So yeah, that's pretty much it on what is BeReal app and how you can use it.